Abandoned for decades, restored in moments, reimagined, rebuilt, reborn.
This abandoned aircraft hasn't flown in over 70 years, but today, everything changes.
Once a powerful machine, now forgotten, damaged, and left to decay. But a bold vision begins to bring this giant back to life.
Every inch, carefully cleaned, revealing what was hidden beneath. Layer by layer, the past is stripped away. Rebuilt, reinforced, stronger than ever before. A bold new identity. Futuristic. Unforgettable.
Inside, a complete transformation begins. The cockpit, reborn as an exclusive VIP lounge.
Where every moment feels like flight.
Lounge, a luxury dining experience in the sky. A dream, and just like that, what was once forgotten becomes something extraordinary, a luxury experience reborn.
Abandoned for decades, restored in moments, reimagined, rebuilt, reborn.